So how do you become an affiliate on the website? How do you become an affiliate on the website? All simple. You go to the website, click on OA Resources, oauresources.com. Yes, so just this and then click on search. Once that opens, this will open you in the website. Now, what you need to do is to come here below. You can see where it says start earning now. You click on start earning now. Start earning now, and then you see where you say any commission by promoting variable product and online. Once you come to this section, you see get started. You click on get started. Now, once you reach this section, you come here, you see where you say OA resources affiliate registration. To become an affiliate on the website is just a token of 1,000 naira, which you have to pay here. So if you are in a community, all you just need to do is to click on buy now, and then you will just when something like this shows up, just click on OK. Now you fill up your information. Please put your full information, because this will help us giving your affiliate details and all that. Your name, your full name, your country, select Nigeria, then your address, your town, your state, and then your phone number. Your phone number very, very important, because if you are registered and then encounter any issues, we need your phone number to be able to call you to confirm that information. So once that is being done here, you see what they say affiliate selection. So if you are registering, if you are becoming an affiliate and you want to register for somebody, that is fine. But if you don't want to select an affiliate, you're not an affiliate yet, I don't want an affiliate, just click on I don't want this select affiliates, just leave it this way. So this one is a section of if you as an affiliate is registered for somebody, but this one is where you are registering as an affiliate. So whatever means, just select whatever means. Anyone you select is still fine, because if you select this one to ask you to select an affiliate, but usually just pick this one, I don't want to select an affiliate, and that is fine. Then you come here. If you are paying through Flutterwave, you come here, it will pop out your payment detail where you can send and transfer money to our account. Or if you want to send money by transfer to us, that is fine. You can pay by cash by transfer and then place your order, or click on Flutterwave, then you place order. So what this will do is it will pump out our Flutterwave where you can send money to us. Yes. So because our Flutterwave account, we can send money to us. This is our Flutterwave account. We can send 1,020. This is the what I call it. This is the amount that these people charge. This is the amount. You can see your email will show here that you are the one making the payment. So all you have to do is to pay through here, picking your bank details, and then make that payment here. Or if you don't want to pay through this method, you can click on change payment method. You can click on bank transfer. Yes, click on bank transfer. So all you have to do is you send this amount of money, send this money, send their 1,020 naira. This is the invoice, otherwise you will not read. So if you go to the pay by cash on delivery, you don't need to add this 20 naira inside it. But if you are paying by bank transfer once from your phone transfer method, you have to put in this charge. This 20 naira charge is a 20 naira charge invoice. So you put this 1,020 naira. If you don't put this, it will not go. It will not read that you paid me. So if you are paying you here, you put in your 1,020 naira. You send this account number. Put this account number in your pay or bank you want to do transfer. Set our bank, and then this is our shop name on Shoppingverse. Once you have done that, you have sent the money from your bank app and it has gone successfully. All you just need to do is to come here and say, I have made this transfer. I have made this bank transfer, and that has gone successfully. And then it will now bring up the next one. It will register as an affiliate immediately. But if you select this option of pay now or pay by cash transfer, okay, let me see. If because this section of pay by cash. Yeah, so let me see. Okay, let's proceed to check out. Now, if you select this section of pay, okay, let's see this section. I don't want an affiliate. Then come here, cash on delivery. Now, what this will do is that once you place your order, this will notify us that you placed your order. So we can now get back to you so I can make your payment, because this one is just a payment that okay, cash on delivery. So once you pay this one now, so you cannot, you have, if you belong to our community, our account number is there, you can send the account number here. What will this will do that in our dashboard, we will look at the person that places order, we can reach out to you and then call you, then follow up with your payment. Once your payment is confirmed, we will now register you as an affiliate. So this section allows us to register you as an affiliate. But when you pick on the other one that has the bank transfer part, it allows you to register yourself as an affiliate. So that's the two ways. The other one allows you to register as an affiliate, while this one allows us to register you as an affiliate in our platform. So this is how to register as an affiliate. Remember, you go to the website, right? You click on start earning now, then you come here, click on get started. This lands to the affiliate product. Then you click on buy now, you fill up your order details and then make your payment, or click on cash on delivery. From that place we pick up the details and then follow you up on that. So this is how to become an affiliate on the website. So it's easy and easy good. So once you become an affiliate, you will be asked to join the community whereby you receive other further information and update that is happening and how you can become much more effective in winning as an affiliate in our community. So thank you.